writing English is difficult when compared to speaking English. Okay. Let's start from our childhood. The very first encounter for us. The first thing which we know is speaking. Later on, we will know how to write. So it is the first thing, no? We can say easily that speaking is easier than writing.
Without knowing letters or things, we cannot read or speak.
Speaking does not require letters, you mean that?
I'm not saying like that. Without the writing, how can we learn speaking?
Are you serious? Listen. When I listen to my parents, when I listen to my relatives and everyone, I know how to speak. But writing and those should be inculcated. It should be educated for us, how to write and everything. So writing is difficult when.
But it will be easy when we speak in his native language, because speaking English will be different from writing English.
You're saying from childhood. First you learn what is Telugu letters, then you come to English now. So as English is not our mother tongue, it is some difficult to speak. But it is better for writing.
But it is easier when we listen to others.
It is easy to read also. Read the written one.
You're saying it is easy to read, but in my view, now you're speaking fluently, but can the same fluency be maintained by writing?
Yes, we can be comfortable also while writing.
Okay.
By writing only we are learning from writing only now. By seeing the script we are learning.
When coming to the native language, English is the native language for 70% of the world. So you can say about native language.
Yes, of course, but writing is more easy than speaking.
I would like to state that basically English, our main topic is that speaking English. It's not just speaking is tougher, writing is tougher. It's about speaking English is tougher than writing English. I mean, this is what we are supporting, and as not any one of our own language is English, and as you stated that English, like listening to the people, we can easily know how to speak. But since the very small age of yours, did you listen to people speaking in English? No. It's okay to listen to Telugu and speak to it, but you never heard people speaking it. Never. I wouldn't state never. You haven't heard much of English. Like it is only after you came to school that you learned. So it is like
Stop likes.
I'm habituated.
This debate is not about not only about us. It covers complete world, right?
okay.
So when 70% of the world owns English as its mother tongue, 70% is majority. So that's how its mother tongue is easier to learn by hearing and speaking, etc.
70% of the people is not actually English.
What is the topic? Is speaking English difficult or writing English difficult?
Yeah.
So we matladu pratidi, the words what you are all speaking is what to these people. Like we are saying that speaking English is difficult.
No,
we are
we
saying
should support that.
we are saying speaking is easy. Because you introduce in such a way, first words, no, we are supporting speaking.
Yeah, since ma'am stated that you supported speaking English is tougher, in fact you felt that speaking English is tough.
So I didn't feel that. It's just a
Because you felt speaking is tough. Yeah, you misspelled because speaking is tough.
No, it's not only a small mistake, and I can cover it. But when if I spell something wrong, I can cover it and can convert it in a positive way.
You should
But,
cover it because you made a mistake because speaking is tough.
okay, while writing, if you cover something, like it will get a negative impact. But in speaking, if you cover that, you can make it in positive way. That we can easily make it.
Positive way.
Yeah.
We ma'am haven't realized that you are going in a wrong way till you said it, which means you didn't actually cover it.
Even that happens in writing English because, like for example, we can take out a prose or poetry. The author writes in one point of view, that we may connect in another point of view. That doesn't mean that we have to think only in this way or in that way.
Trust me, try reading a book. When you read a book, it's more like, okay, try reading a book and watch a movie with the same story.
you'll actually understand the more from the book rather than the movie. It's because no, I'm not supporting writing. What I've said is that
Yes, Megha, you supported writing because reading the text means it's a written form of some person.
yeah, it is tough because
You just said that while you read the text, you enjoy rather than seeing a movie. Meaning,
it's not about enjoying and we should actually state about which is tougher.
so then you stated it what?
To understand a book which is written or something, you should actually, you should consider every part of it.
To understand a book, it depends on our attitude, what exactly the author wants to say. Whereas in writing, it is difficult to analyze.
Whereas in writing, like,
If you speak something, you are stating something.
okay.
So the way you speak, the conclusions you give and the points you state, I can understand. Okay, she is stating something either positive way or a negative way. But if I write something and give it to you and give it to her, you can understand it in a different way and she can understand it in a different way. So the perspective of person depends on knowing what is written.
So it does not mean that writing is tough.
But we can't convey what exactly you want to say through writing. But through
Actually, through writing, you can convey it exactly. You can convey it in a better way because everything's clearly written. Whereas in speaking, you can't cover everything.
But while writing or giving a text in written form, the person may be not in that position to understand everything what you say. But while speaking, you can convey what you want.
Through our expressions, we can convey in speaking. Whereas in writing, we can't express our expressions, isn't it?
Okay, fine. But doesn't speaking take time? Like, to form, when you write, you have this time to think over one particular sentence, and even while writing, you can think over it. But while speaking, you don't have time.
Okay, whereas we consider time management, just you think you have some time to speak, and in that time you can convey whatever you want to say briefly. So the other person can understand the whole content in a small span of time. When coming to writing, if you have a small time and you have to write the whole thing, is it such easier? No.
Maybe it's easier. I want to ask you one question.
I want my question to be answered.
Further on, I'm asking that question to you. If you are very emotional in some situation, particular situation, you can't convey that in words. Then what you will do? You will just sit and cry, or you will express them in words, or you will write a diary.
But will the emotions connect directly while you write? No.
Yeah, obviously.
How can it be connected?
Actually, writing helps vent out pain. Trust me, writing helps vent out pain. First, while writing, first,
speaking, we can convey our expressions, not in writing.
in writing, it helps you vent out. First, try writing, then come speak to me. But when you are dull or something, try writing, try venting your pain upon it, and really trust me, writing helps to let out all the
It
pain.
doesn't press away, we have to trust our water.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
It doesn't press away, we have to trust our water. We should experience ourselves. We should know.
That is what I'm telling you. Experience yourself, experience writing, then come and tell me that writing is tough, and I'm gonna believe it then.
No, with experience only we are saying writing is much more difficult.
Writing is okay. The formal writing or the informal? Which one did you experience? Tell me that. Formal or the informal?
We experience formal in examinations, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah, we do.
not everyone can pass over it.
What's the point in that? Tell me. See, we write the exams. Everyone's comfortable while writing. We all can write English exams. We write English exams pretty well. We are gaining, I guess, maximum of the marks. But while speaking, during the activities, during the laboratories, are we really performing well? Are we getting confused?
But all those
Now
marks
it's
correct. But all those marks are correct. No. They are like only to encourage us. And given only to encourage us, not.
Are you going to encourage us?
Yes.
All the time.
Yes, ma'am, agree.
All the time.
Yes, ma'am, agree with me.
In the third assignment, how many did actually get 20s, 90s? It's maximum like 3s and 4s.
By speaking, you can't express so many ideas. By writing, you get so many ideas.
By practice, we can improve it.
Right now, aren't we struggling while speaking? Right now.
What is struggling? What is struggling?
You aren't.
No.
You just struggled. When I asked you a question, you paused in order to think over it.
No, just we asked a question.
No, you paused actually.
You asked a question like, ma'am really came like that? Yes.
you pause, which means speaking is tough for you to
You pause
use.
while you're writing.
We do pause, but we have time to think over the next sentence even
While you have
before
let me go to the whole point and ask you. Like, you have some time while speaking, and you can keep all the, whatever you think, you can say briefly, and people can understand what you're actually thinking.
See, it's about one particular person. If you want to explain a particular thing briefly, even while writing, you can. It's about a person, not about everyone.
But
if you want to explain everything in